Total War 3 Kingdoms is free on Epic Games for a limited time. Claim it now before the offer ends. Open up the Epic Games. If it doesn't have the Epic Games launcher, then open up Chrome and search Epic Games. Select the official site. Select the download option and download the Epic Games launcher. After the download done, install it. After the installation done, in search store type Total War 3 Total War 3 Kingdoms. As you can see, the game is free right now. Select the get option. Select the place order option, 0 rupees. Select view in library. And select the game and select the install option and it will start it installing, guys. Hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.